everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you about the upcoming TLJ 2.0 event taking place from the 15th to the 17th of November this year. I'm Robert Langer, a Hungarian transplant surgeon working in Linz, Austria. I'm also the chairman of EKITA, the European Kidney Transplant Association, which is a section of ESOT, the European Society of Organ Transplantation. The board of EKITA planned to organize a full-day symposium on combined organ transplantation as part of the Transplant Learning Journey called TLJ 2.0, originally planned for the Czech capital Prague. Unfortunately, it became a virtual event, so we had to reorganize it, and now I'm inviting you for two webinars. The topic is the combined transplantation for pediatric patients. I think it's a very interesting medical and also ethical challenge what we can offer for our little patients. World-known experts would deal with this exciting issue. I can full-heartedly encourage everybody to take part in those webinars who are involved in any form in organ transplantations. The first webinar would be prior to the main event on October 20th from 6 to 7 p.m. Central European Time. The second on November the 17th, 2:15 to 3:15 p.m. Goodbye and see you at those events.